In tourism, experiences, feelings, and intuition matter deeply. But when it comes to strategic planning, we need more. In a time of rapid change, global connectivity, advanced digitalization, and growing guest expectations, data-driven decision-making is key to shaping, developing, and promoting Slovenia's tourism offer. Fast, reliable access to quality data, smart analysis, and expert insight is becoming a vital tool for success and sustainable growth. But still, many struggle with limited time, staff, resources, or data know-how. Too often, they're stuck navigating scattered, unclear, and hard-to-access sources, instead of spending time on guests and experiences. To address this, the Slovenian Tourist Board has created the National Intelligence System for Tourism, NiST. It brings together and analyzes key local and global tourism data, free of charge and tailored to the sector's needs. The platform is simple and user-friendly, requiring no specialized data skills. Users can easily filter by destination, time period, or other key parameters, and quickly generate their own comparisons and insights. NiST delivers insights into trends, compares destinations, municipalities, and in some cases, European countries. It offers clear visuals, analytics, and data aligned with the Sustainable Development pillars. The Tourism Index combines 12 key indicators across environmental, social, and economic areas, and gives a clear picture of how well sustainable development and the tourism strategy are really working. Members of the Green Scheme have access to a comprehensive overview of key sustainability indicators and support for reporting progress at their destination. NiST provides comprehensive support to the tourism sector by tracking performance across economic, social, and environmental pillars. It helps target the right audiences, manage visitor flows, market more effectively, and deliver Slovenia's promise of green, sustainable tourism. It is the go-to hub for a smarter, greener, and more resilient tourism future. It marks a new chapter built on knowledge, collaboration, and shared responsibility. As the digital backbone of tourism, it propels Slovenia forward, grounded in confidence and committed to sustainability. Data-driven decision-making is no longer an option, but a necessity. It's a new chapter built on knowledge, connection, and shared responsibility. Visit nist.slovenia.info. Welcome to the future of tourism.